Sige na.
What are you doing?
Nag-video tayo. Okay, Kate is choosing her shoe.
Skechers for life.
What?
Skechers for life.
Ikaw naman, ate. Ano?
The design is quite ugly.
Ha?
Design is quite
Ugly. Alam, talaga na itong mga to. Kunin mo na. Ito yung 7 to yung 6 kunin mo yung karton mo. Oo. Is that yours? Choose?
trying to find more of flats.
Flats. Mahilig ka sa flats. Sige na.
Got into her.
What?
They got mom's down.
Oh, ito.
I got
Okay na. Satisfied?